very good down here. You alright with me filming, mate? You okay with me filming? Sorry for my channel. There's some tap there now, trampoline, anything. No dogs?
I got a big bag of wire.
Yep.
See in that corner? It's all copper wire.
They're all copper wire. Hey, nice one.
Scrap it. I was going to scrap it to move to Wales. But all that there, mate, it's all copper wire. Tennis bats there, mate, as well.
Yeah, brilliant.
I'm just going to look at this shed, mate.
Out and out, mate. This one. Yeah, no worries at all.
Turn that camera off in the shed, that'll be great.
Yeah, no problem. No problem at all, mate. What, you know what I mean?
Right, check you on there, mate, and you can just check what you want, yeah?
Yeah, no worries. Oh. I'll empty this on the truck and I'll bring your bag back.
I don't need the bag.
You sure, mate? No worries. Let's get this out of the way. Right. I'll show you this bag in a minute. Let's just give me. It's a long walk. Well, let me just show you this bag. That bag he's just given me is full to the top of copper wire. All lead stripping, I'm sorting out, but copper wire, how about that? And there's a bit more around the back. Bit more stuff he's giving me, so happy days. Yes, nice big bag of copper wire. Look at all that. Lovely. Trampoline on the shed. Lovely.
Mate, it's a box there.
Okie doke, bud. I'm just going to get this trampoline off here. Oh, shit, it fell off. We got the language. Like that. Right. That's a good little load. That bag of wire was really nice, extra balance. And yeah, I've got this box of stuff. I don't know what's in this little box there, but there we go. Happy days. Bang on that bag of copper. Let's go and get some more out.